Hi everybody, just putting together a quick video for assistants logging into Clever. It's a pretty easy process, but wanted to make sure that everyone had access to it. So the first thing is to go to clever.com, and then you're going to do login as teacher or staff. More than likely, this will take you to a page that looks a little bit different than this. You are going to search for Aurora Hills Middle School when it says to find it. Once you select Aurora Hills Middle School, then it'll bring you to this page, and you're just going to do login with Google, select your at Aurora K-12 account, and then you'll be in. And each of these tiles are single sign-ons, takes you to various resources. Um, we just got done talking about was Dreambox, which is this tile right here. And you'll find things like iReady, Google Classroom, in here as well. So hope that helps.